What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your ignition coils in a 2007 BMW 335i. The reason we're changing this is I'm getting a misfire on cylinder 3. It's code P0303. It's a misfire happening on only cylinder 3. I've had this happen before on other cylinders and I've just replaced the coils with regular Bosch coils, but today we're going to upgrade to Eldor coils. These coils are a little better and they're said to withstand power levels up to about 600 wheel horsepower, which will be plenty for me for the time being. These coils come on slightly newer BMWs and they're just better technology, more robust, and should last for what we're trying to do. So let's get into it. To get to the ignition coils, we have to take off the upper cowl. It's 4 8mm bolts that hold on the plastic cabin air filter up here, and another 8mm bolt over on the sides over there that hide under these plastic covers there and there. Let's get into it. From here you can see our ignition coils along here and our injectors, these metal things here. They're pretty easy to get at. They're just press fit and clicked on top of the spark plug, so after you unplug them, just give them a wiggle and pull them straight up. Taking a closer look, you can see there's no oil around the tip, which is a good sign, meaning the valve cover seals are in good condition. Looking at the Bosch coil on the left and the Eldor coil on the right, you can see the Eldor coil has a metal sleeve around the main body, and everything else is the same. The Eldor coil feels a little heavier, so maybe there's a material difference on the inside. Tip of the coil looks exactly the same on both. This is a good chance to look down in your spark plug hole to look for any oil pooling around your plug. If you saw oil, you would want to address your valve cover leak. You can also check in the valley of the engine beneath your direct injectors, looking for any oil leaks or debris. Now is also a great time to check the index of your injectors. You can see on my injector it says 138-01. 01 means it's an index 1 injector. Generally the most desirable index is 11 or 12, but I've also heard that the index 1 injectors were good as well. Mine's a little dirty, I'm going to clean this up. Install the new coils with the connector pointing towards the front of the car. Push the coil down until it bottoms out on the housing. You will need to give it a firm push until you feel it seat. Seems pretty good to me. So this far, the car's not misfiring. We've got to full 12 pounds of boost. This car is full bolt-ons minus a stock exhaust, because here in Vancouver, an aftermarket exhaust gets you a lot of attention from the police. But otherwise, it's got intakes, it's got turbo inlets, downpipes, meth injection, an upgraded intercooler, and a catch can, and an upgraded charge pipe, and a blow-off valve. So I'd say it's full bolt-on, although it's got a stock exhaust. It still has the secondary cats. It's still on a active AutoWorks Stage 2 tune, and the meth comes in around 8 pounds of boost, so it's pretty rowdy. Let's see, let's just create some space here. Second gear, 3,000 RPM. Just gonna flat foot it. Yep. Hits well. Before, as soon as the meth came on around 8-9 pounds, it would misfire right away. You'd feel it starting to lose a cylinder or two. Wow. gear. Gonna roll into it. Well, after taking the 335 for a hard rip, we have 0 misfires, so that's a big win for the Eldor coils. I'm pretty impressed with the quality right now, but I'll report back to you guys with a long-term test after a couple months and see how they hold up. I got these coils from FCP Euro, and I'd highly recommend you shop there for all your Euro car part needs because they have a lifetime warranty on all their parts. So if another coil goes on that I just bought and it goes out, I can buy another one, return the one that broke, and they'll refund me the cost because they cover it under the lifetime warranty. So check out FCP Euro, guys. It's a great place to shop, super quick shipping, and they're very knowledgeable. Otherwise, there's more E92 content coming your way, so subscribe, smash the like button down below. For me, please, that'd mean a lot. And as always, hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.